and today we're going to be installing this downpipe from ZZPerformance on my 2014 Sonic, and we're going to be showing you guys before and after shots on cold starts, idling, and also revs, and then we'll show you guys also how to install this. We're going to open the bonnet, as they say, or the hood on this, and the first things we got to do is we got to take off this heat shield. And I think those might be tips. You think they're tips?
Yeah, maybe.
Eights. They're eights. Alright guys, also another thing you guys want to do is disconnect your negative battery terminal and make sure it's not touching anything. Que lo vemos ahorita. And make sure that negative battery terminal is not touching anything. As you can see, we removed the heat shield, and now what we're going to do is start unbolting this V-band, and it's still pretty warm because we just drove it here. And another thing is we'll be disconnecting this O2 sensor as well. So those are the next two steps we're going to do. Okay guys, so we disconnected this V-band in here, and the V-band that you're disconnecting is this, and that's a size 13. It's just that bolt, and it releases this, and then you, like I said, you also take off your O2 sensor, and it's just this harness right here. You disconnect that, and then there's 3 bolts that will be underneath holding it to the mid pipe, and that's what we're going to next. Hey guys, so we're underneath the car. What we're going to do, it's these 3 bolts right here holding the downpipe, and they're all 13s, and we're going to remove those 3, and then we'll pull down the downpipe from here. Alright guys, we have the stock downpipe with the new ZZP, and as you can see, a big difference. And the biggest trouble you guys are probably going to have is this bolt right here, and if we go take a look at it, it is exactly located right here, right beside this intake charge pipe. So now what we're gonna do is do an open header, turn it on, and see how it sounds. Alrighty.
You hit the turbo a lot more on that one.
It's gonna sound the same. People, it doesn't sound like.
Yeah.
Well guys, now we're gonna be installing this ZZP downpipe back in, and it's the same process, just everything backwards.